Hello everyone and welcome to a quick video where I show you how you can correctly insert a disc into your PlayStation 5. So when I click on eject, you can see that the shiny and mirror-like side is to the right, while the side of the disc that has the sticker or the label has to be put to the left. So this is how you have to correctly insert the disc if you're using it in a vertical stand position with the label towards the power and eject button. Now if you're using your PlayStation 5 in a horizontal stand, the label has to be facing upwards and the shiny mirror side has to be facing downwards. And it's pretty simple, but sometimes it gets confusing for some people, so make sure you always insert the CD in the right way. Now as a quick bonus part, I will show you that PlayStation 4 discs do actually work, like Battlefield 1 has been just inserted into the PlayStation 5 and you can basically play it normally. It will copy the data and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Peace.